guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Malena. If you're new and if you're not new, what's popping? Now today's video, I'm giving y'all this freaking look. I think it came out really freaking cute. This long jumbo braid, high ponytail, whatever you want to call it. This is a really cute summer hairstyle, so I'm giving y'all summer vibes. This is a cute hairstyle. Anyways, if you're interested on how I got this jumbo braid, this jumbo high ponytail, I don't even know what it's called, but if you're interested in how I did this hairstyle, then keep on watching. Okay, guys, my makeup look bad today, and my freaking eye is swollen because of this pollen. But you know, we're not gonna talk about that. We're gonna get into the video. I'm doing a braided ponytail type of thing. I look crazy right now, but it's okay. What I'm going to use is this foaming set wrap spray. I'm using Got To Be glue, bobby pins, water, elastic bands, gorilla snot, and edge control brush. Anyways, the first thing I'm gonna do is put my hair in a ponytail, because I'm tired of looking like who done did it and why. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't know if I can do this on camera or not, but I'm gonna try. So first thing we're gonna do is put my hair in a ponytail. I'm gonna use setting wrap spray to make my hair soft because it's gelled down from the last hairstyle. I'm gonna use that and some water. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to do this off camera or this part. So I'll be right back. Okay, and this is exactly what we're gonna do. I got my weave, my little weave ponytail. You're gonna wrap this on your bun, and then you're going to, well, this is if you have short hair. If you have longer hair, you could do it the way where you just braid it in, but since I got short hair, I'm not gonna do it that way. I'm gonna do it the way that I feel like it's easier for my hair. But you're gonna flip it over. It depends on where you want it at also. I think I want it going this way, so we're gonna do it one more time, because I should have put it the other way, but it's okay. So we're gonna put a bow on that to make a hump. Well, not a hump, but so it can like get braided over. If you get what I'm saying. If you don't, you're gonna see what I'm saying in a minute. And then you're gonna go over one more time. Now what you're gonna do is basically, hold on. What you're gonna do is basically take out a little bit of hair, because that's what you're gonna wrap around. Like about that much. And then you put the hair, I'm bad at explaining stuff. So after you flip it, you're gonna take a little bit of hair out, and now you're just gonna braid this. And you're just gonna braid it. You're gonna want it real tight at the top because you put that bun up there. I'm gonna make my braid really loose so I can make it bigger, like look bigger or appear bigger. Because if not, it's gonna look like a small braid, if you get what I'm saying.
I go by Jada, no Ray, no Brandy. Playing with bitches like Andy. Yeah. I'm taking off, ain't no landing. Innocent, evil like Mandy. I'm chilling, yeah, finding I'm dandy. I told him sit down, they can't stand me. I told that.
You're just gonna braid it till you get to the end. So now I'm finally at the end. And now what we're gonna do next is take this. Now you can do this two ways. You can wrap it around this way, but I think I want to braid it and then wrap it around like that way instead of doing it the like regular way everybody do it.
My slime, I'm in it with my slime. I'm in it with my slime. I'm in it with my slime. Swear we ain't wasting no time. Got a bad bitch and she fine. I'm in it with my.
And then now you're just gonna wrap this around your hair, just like that. And the last thing you do, ooh, y'all hear my voice is going out. I don't know why. It just happened. I sound like a man. The last thing you're gonna do is just put a bobby pin on that hair so it won't like come apart or come loose. This is my first time doing this hairstyle, y'all, by the way. So I never really did this hairstyle on me because I don't like putting my hair in a ponytail. Also because it was like really short like a month ago, so I couldn't really do that. I'm going to loosen this braid up so it can be bigger. More like jumbo like, even though this is not jumbo hair. Also, the pack of hair I used because it looks so like natural. It do look natural. I'm not even gonna cap, it do look natural. I'm gonna show you what kind of, and I also gotta do my edges too, so y'all don't even just wait. The type of hair I use is 3X Features Braiding Hair Natural Texture 301 if y'all want to go get it. This is pre-stretched, tangle free, flame retardant, and hot water setting, whatever that means. Quick and easy, ready to restyle. Braiding made simple and easy. It's easy to manage, perfect for blending, soft and easy to brush. Hot water set, natural blowout texture, no tangle and hair loss. Save up to 2 hours, no prep needed. I feel like all this is true because I never had a problem with this hair at all, like ever. And I only did like different hairstyles. I didn't use this same pack for like, I didn't use the same pack with a lot of hairstyles and it still looked like good hair. So now I'm going to do my edge. I think this hairstyle came out really freaking cute. Like, it's not me. It's kind of like really, really girly. That's not me for some reason. Like, I wouldn't wear this hairstyle. This hairstyle is really, really girly, like cute girly, if you know what I'm saying. I might wear it if I like have like on a dress and stuff, but I don't normally wear dresses, so it's like I don't think I would ever like wear this hairstyle like in particular because it's just not me. But it's really, really cute if I wanted to get really, really girly. Or if this is kind of like a go-to hairstyle, to be honest with you. If you had a lot of hair, it'd be easy for you to do this hairstyle. If you have short hair, it'd be easy to just like, if you want to like put your hair in a ponytail, but you really don't want to do your hair, this would be a cute freaking hairstyle. Like, I think it came out really, really cute. Got my edges, put some little twirls at the end. I couldn't find them little clip things. That would have been very, very freaking cute to add on. If you had them little clip things, the things you do box braids with, that'd have been cute to put on this. If you want to dress it up a little bit, this is a really cute hair. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, or share with all your friends. And if you're not following my social media handles, it's in the description below. Go follow them if you want to be more in tune with my life. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.